don't want to break the board in there.
There's a board.
Yeah.
But you know what you're doing, right? So it's not going to be locked, but you're going to hold it closed so it doesn't open.
Oh shit. Ah!
What the fuck? Get the fuck in there! Shut
No!
up!
Ah!
Shut up! Shut up!
No!
Shut up! I'm gonna...
No! Ah!
Quick! I actually punched you in the face! I'm so sorry, Sean! I'm so sorry! Wait, fucking floor it right now! Here, wait, you gotta videotape his face. Oh my god!
Holy shit.
Ah!
Alright, let's go.